Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Letitia. Today I am going to show you a simple face mask that I regularly use on my face to have a smooth, soft and glowy skin. First main ingredient in this face mask is rice flour. This is very good for your skin, especially if you have acne prone and oily skin, because it is going to help with the sebum absorption. Rice is going to help with skin brightening, whitening, and it will also help you get rid of acne, blemishes, and even dark circles or dark spots on your face. Therefore, this ingredient is the main ingredient in this face mask and cannot be replaced by another one. The second ingredient in this face mask is cucumber. I made several videos in which I talked about the benefits of cucumber. Therefore, I'm just going to link these videos so you can learn more about the benefits of cucumber for the face. This step is optional. You don't have to add the cucumber leftovers in the mask. I am just using it for some eye aesthetics. I forgot to add that if you want to bring this mask to another level and you want to have more benefits from it, then add some organic honey, especially if you have pimples and you want a glowy and youthful looking skin. You can also add turmeric to have a glowy, soft and smooth skin, or even lemon if you have some at home. This mask can truly be customizable. Before applying this mask on your face, please wash your hands. Make sure they are well sanitized. Make sure that your face is also clean from any kinds of makeup or dirt. I also recommend you to use this mask on a damp skin because rice flour loves water, and the combination of damp skin and rice flour will allow this mask to be well set on your face. You can let the mask sit on your face for 15 to 20 minutes and after, please wash it with lukewarm water. You can see that before applying this mask on my face was very oily, it was dull, it was less shiny. Now after applying this mask on my face, it is brighter, it is less oily, and my skin is very smooth. I really recommend you to use this face mask, and if you have questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my video. May God bless you and bye.